Ready with the boys in a 4x4, note रखे जेब में 2x2. Pull up in the club, कहते oh my god, चढ़ा हूँ मैं stage में, I shoot my shot.
Sammy, can you give us a lowdown as to how you speak such fluent Hindi?
Yeah, so like basically this question, मतलब मेरे से ज़्यादातर यही पूछा जाता है, like how do I speak Hindi and everything. So like I'll cut it short. Basically, I've been in India for more than 15 years now. So I schooled there and I graduated from here itself. So the culture, my friends, and everything, like I don't really remember when I started speaking Hindi, to be very honest. It's like कि मैं मतलब एक दिन सोया था, अगले दिन उठा हिंदी बोलने लग गया. It's just like, but I'll give the credits to my friend and obviously the culture. I'm a type of person who love to embrace the culture mostly. तो मतलब इसलिए मतलब मैं कल्चर से सीखा हूँ एंड अपने दोस्तों से ऑब्वियसली स्कूल में.
Yeah, and how did you know that you had to venture into music and also you had to sing Hindi music?
Yeah, so basically I first learned the language. तो मतलब मैं इंग्लिश म्यूजिक सुनता था बट आई वाज जस्ट अ लिसनर. लाइक मतलब सुन के ऐसा कुछ सीन नहीं था कि मेरे को हिंदी में रैप करना है या कुछ. आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. But there's this day I didn't know that there were. I was only thinking कि उस टाइम हिंदी में सिर्फ इंग्लिश में रैप होता है. But the first time I heard Yo Yo Honey sing Brown Rung, that was the first Hindi rap song I heard. So I was like, damn, like Hindi mein rhyming words, it's something more attractive to me, you know. So I was like, damn, I need to do something like that. So I was a big fan. Even till now, I'm a big fan of Honey Singh.
So where are your parents from?
We're from West Africa, Nigeria.
Yeah, but what city?
Lagos.
We know that you know a lot about the Indian culture, but do you also know so much about your Nigerian culture? And if we will get to see that music also.
Yeah, for sure. मतलब मेरे को अपने culture के बारे में, and I'm even bringing that up. Like, I'm planning, if you're asking me about the music side of it, like I'm planning to do something. मतलब मेरा एक track है जिसमें पंजाबी में मैंने लिखा है और वो Afrobeat, which is I feel not done yet. So it's something new and it's something like bringing the two cultures together. So उस वे में because I see कि आजकल Afrobeat बहुत चल रहा है इंडिया में भी. like बहुत सारे लोग सुन रहे हैं. For example, रहमा आया था Calm Down के लिए. So it is a big thing. It's a big tune for sure.
Right. And will we also see you singing in Bollywood films?
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Is there something in the pipeline?
Yeah, exactly. Like my EP is on the line. My EP is the next 1 or 2 months or 1.5 months. I don't know the date exactly. But yeah, like my EP is normally when you go to, listen to some EP or some artist or some album, you can name it that it's an hip hop album, it's an hip hop EP or whatever. So mine is combined. Like you will find a Punjabi commercial, and there's this track in Smatle. It's completely a Bollywood track. So and it's something very different from my side. I never expected I will be making that type of track, but it happened, you know.
And some stars that have inspired your journey?
Yeah, for sure. Like since I was a kid, obviously, Bollywood stars like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, you know, and acting wise, I love Shahid Kapoor as well. So these three artists, these three film stars are one of my favorites.
What about in the music space?
In the music space,
Anybody
if
who
you're obviously, like as I mentioned, Yo Yo Honey Singh, I started, that was the first Hindi track I heard from him. And apart from that, if you're asking worldwide, Central C and Pop Smoke.